The word revolutionized, which is highlighted in the text, most nearly means A. Cancelled, B. Changed drastically, C. Became outdated, or D. Exercised control over. The sentence tells us that James Starley, an English inventor, revolutionized bicycle design. As the paragraph goes on to explain how he changed almost every major aspect of the bicycle, for example, making the front wheel many times larger than the back wheel, putting a gear on the pedals to make the bicycle more efficient, and lightening the wheels by using wire spokes, we can use the context to understand that revolutionize must mean to make major changes. Taking into account as well that our other options of cancelled, became outdated, and exercised control over just simply don't make as much sense when put in the context, we can mark B, changed drastically, as our final answer.